Once upon a time, in the land of numbers and computers, a new kind of science began to grow: data science. But what exactly is data science? Well, let me tell you, it's like being a detective, but not with magnifying glasses and footprints. Instead, data scientists use computers and lots of numbers to find clues in data. Data science is all about discovering patterns and insights from data. Just like how a detective finds the hidden secrets of a mystery, data scientists dig deep into piles of data to find interesting stories and facts. But how do they do this? Imagine you're making a giant jigsaw puzzle. Each piece is a tiny bit of information. Data scientists have powerful computers that act like giant puzzle helpers. These computers sort, arrange, and study the puzzle pieces to see how they fit together. To solve the puzzle, data scientists use special tools called algorithms. An algorithm is like a recipe, but for data. It tells the computer step by step what to do with all those puzzle pieces. Some algorithms are really good at spotting things that look the same, like finding all the pieces with the blue sky in a sea of green grass. Now, how do they get all this data to make these puzzles? Data is all around us. It's in the songs you listen to, games you play, the weather forecasts, and the traffic lights. Data scientists collect this data using different technologies, like saving your gaming scores to understand what games you enjoy. One exciting part of data science is called machine learning. It's just like teaching a computer to be really smart. It's like training your pet dog to do tricks. But instead of tricks, computers learn to recognize pictures of cats and dogs, predict the weather, or even suggest what movie you should watch next. Imagine you have a magical box, and you want the box to recognize whether it is day or night. You would feed it thousands of pictures of the daytime and nighttime, teaching it to recognize patterns. Soon, it learns to tell the difference all by itself. That's machine learning in action. Data science helps in making decisions too. Just like when you decide which route to take on a map to avoid roadblocks, data scientists help businesses and doctors make the best decisions, like deciding which product people might like to buy, or finding the fastest way to battle a disease. In short, data scientists are the new age explorers, not of land and sea, but of data and technology. They help us understand the world a little better. So, if you enjoy solving puzzles, finding patterns, and have an endless curiosity, maybe one day you could be a data scientist too. And remember, in the world of data science, there's always more to discover, always another puzzle to solve, another mystery to unfold. Who knows what adventure lies in the data tomorrow?